moving too fast. I wanted to slow down so I could keep up, but that's not possible. And I realized something in my life. I should be the one to live with the world. So
kanyang doktor.
If you had seen Katrina during her worst time, I did not think that she was going to survive.
25 years old. Because of brain tumors, she can't walk, can't feel her face, can't swallow, can't see well, and can't hear. Despite everything she cannot do, Kat could be one of the most hopeful and humorous people ever to be afflicted with neurofibromatosis type 2.
Kirkit na sakit ako wala na, corny na ako, ganyan, di ba? Hindi naman hinto ang world para sa'yo, di ba? Ikaw ang nakikidyangahin, ganun lang.
Kat's also a businesswoman. She started a graphics design business with a friend using her design skills, an old desktop, and only her right hand. She hopes to raise 1.5 million pesos so she can get an implant that will help her hear again.
Na life must go on. May sakit nga ako, pero dahil ko ka din nagagawa, gagawin ko yun. Kakayan, kasi hindi naman tayo bigyan ng chance ng pagsugak, diba? Kung hindi natin kakayanin, kaya alam ko sarili ko na, kaya binigay ito sa akin kasi kaya ko. Thankful lang ako kasi alam ko naman na kaya na ako binigyan ng nagkakagigat na kugling na to. Kasi alam ng Diyos na talagang strong ako, diba?
Press.
Hindi ako natidepress, bawal yun eh. Parang walang safe lang ma-depress. Kung madidiras ako, kahirap ko ka lang sarili ko. Natutunan ko na ma-appreciate yung kahit na maliit lang na gawin na gagawa ko. Hindi ko kahit na isang tek lang kaglalakad ako. Minsan isang tek lang na ganyan. Talaga na-appreciate ko. Alam mo ba sa buhay ko? Hindi ako makalakad. Hindi ako makarinig, hindi ako makakita ng mabuti. Pero, I am cut ka din, ako pa din to. Basta kaya ko, nagawin ko. Nag-hard racing ako, dependent na nga ako. Ayoko manghingi naman ng pera na hard end money nila. Saka, okay naman ako may nagagawa ako So, kasi left-handed ako. Hindi naman dahil hindi ko nawagalaw itong left hand ko. Hindi na ako makaka-create ng art. Freelance graphic.
Alam mo, ang gusto ko makalaman.
Everything will go wrong, but I can hear you in my heart. But I can feel you with your love. You are my